you have to become a good observer. It means you have to study the market continuously. Step number 2, you have to identify a big problem and make sure that you will be solving real-life problems. Step number 3, you have to find out a customer-friendly solution to engage your targeted audience. Step number 4, you have to design a clear growth plan for your business startup and make sure that you will not allow anyone to track your movements. Step number 5, be ambitious. It means you have to be very hungry for your success. Step number 6, you have to bring persistence. No matter how hard the journey is, no matter how much rejection you face on your way, but you have to stick to your startup plan continuously. Step number 7, develop a positive attitude and upgrade your startup every single day. Step number 8, you have to focus on networking. It means you have to build relations with the people around you. Step number 9, engage yourself with social media marketing to promote your product or service. Step number 10, try to focus on those ideas which can be scalable and which can be initiated with less investment, as doing business has actually become much easier than before due to the latest technology upgradations. Being an entrepreneur from the very initial point of the journey, you have to strongly believe that you are creating something which will change the world one day. These are the basic steps pertaining to entrepreneurship, and I hope that you find this helpful. Please share this video with your friends who are also trying to build their own startup. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for your